Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to arbitrage stablecoins and generate automatic profits using a trading bot on Bybit EU. The idea is simple. Buy when the price drops slightly, sell when it moves back up, and let the bot work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We'll focus on the USDT USDC pair. These are two stablecoins that are both supposed to be worth $1, but in reality, they constantly fluctuate slightly. And those small price differences are exactly what we're going to exploit. Before we go further, if you're not registered on Bybit yet, you can use the partner link in the description. It gives you access to bonuses at sign-up and throughout your use of the platform. Arbitrage simply means taking advantage of price differences between two assets that are supposed to have the same value. Even though USDT and USDC are both pegged to $1, the price is never perfectly stable. Our goal is to profit from that small volatility. Right now, volatility on this pair is low, around 0.6%. That's almost impossible to trade manually. That's why we use a bot that places orders automatically and continuously. Historically, stablecoins can also experience temporary depegs during certain market phases, creating larger price movements. So this strategy can benefit both from calm periods and more volatile ones. Now let's move to the practical part. On Bybit, click on Tools, then Trading Bot. You'll see several bot options. Here, we're going to use the Spot Grid bot, which is ideal for sideways markets. Click Create. First, select the USDT USDC pair. Then define your price range. For example, $0.99 as the lower bound and $1.01 as the upper bound. Within this range, we can set 8 grids. The bot will automatically distribute buy and sell orders across the entire price zone. Each trade captures roughly 0.24 to 0.25% per move. Small, repeated profits that accumulate over time. Next, choose the amount you want to invest. For example, 200 USDC. Click Create Now. Review the summary of your parameters. Then click Confirm. And just like that, the bot is live instantly. In the Details tab, you can see all the bot settings. In the Assets tab, you'll find the active buy and sell orders. And by clicking the chart icon, you can visualize all open orders directly on the chart. If you want to withdraw your profits without stopping the bot, simply click Withdraw. The gains will be transferred directly to your funding account. If you decide to stop the bot, click Cancel. Choose whether you want to receive USDT, USDC, or both. Confirm. The bot stops immediately and the full history remains available under completed bots. This is a simple but powerful way to automate stablecoin arbitrage. It's not about huge trades. It's about consistency and automation. That's it for this video. I hope it helped you understand how to use a stablecoin arbitrage bot on Bybit EU. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support the channel. I'll see you very soon in the next one.